What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over Baby Doge today. We're just going to be talking about some technicals, where Baby Doge is pretty much going to be going next. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe if you like these Baby Doge videos. Also, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join, and I'll go over any crypto that members want me to go over first. And also, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Let's get straight to it though. So the first thing I want to talk about here with Baby Doge is the pullback. So we did have the pullback. We started to pump really nice up here on Baby Doge, but we did get rejected at this resistance point. So we pretty much got rejected up here at the 2200. We couldn't even really break past 2200. So yeah, we did break that area. And now you're going to see Baby Doge eventually pull back down to this support line here. So we're probably going to end up pulling back here to this Fibonacci retracement all the way over here around 1250. So expect 8Z 1250 to come really soon. And I don't know if it's going to stay there. It could continue to pump after this, but that's pretty much what we're going to try to figure out today. So look at how we got rejected here. Literally, the second we hit this area here, this red area pretty much indicates that there's less demand for Baby Doge. This pretty much indicates resistance. So that's what we had there. And the second we hit that area, all the way from about 2200 all the way down here to about 2000. So pretty much 8Z22 to 8Z20. That whole area is like less demand for Baby Doge. It's going to be a little bit harder for us to break past that area. And then our actual resistance line for our Fibonacci retracement is actually up here at the 23 area. So that is another significant point for Baby Doge to pass. Now we have the potential to pump out of this. Remember, last time Baby Doge was pumping like this, I believe it was like December. And just think about what happened around that time. So going all the way back here to December, look at how Baby Doge was pumping all throughout December. Well, like towards the end of the December, and then all throughout January, pretty much to the middle of January. And then whenever you go over here and you look at Bitcoin and you kind of analyze what Bitcoin was doing all throughout that time. Yeah, the whole December, Bitcoin was down. And then going into January, Bitcoin was down literally. And Bitcoin has been down ever since. Literally November. Ever since November, Bitcoin has been down. And yeah, that is definitely a huge statement considering Baby Doge is something people like to call scam coin and all that, blah, blah, blah. But if you look at the last year for Baby Doge compared to the last year for Bitcoin, we've really been having some random spikes inside of Baby Doge. And I like to say that, typically altcoins follow Bitcoin, but lately Baby Doge does not follow Bitcoin. I'm noticing this, like it'll do it very briefly for a very brief period of time, but then the Baby Doge army just ends up taking it to the moon. And that's exactly what happened. It was pretty much happening now. So all the way from the middle of December, around December 15th, all the way up here to about January 15th or January 16th, literally a month and a day, we're literally just pumping that whole time. And then we started to do a pullback. But as you know, since we had so much pump, we pretty much had an even harder pullback. And that also caused, Baby Doge to look like it was crashing, but really it's not. It's really just coming back from a hard pullback. And you got to think about it. That was pretty high where we pumped. We got to a pretty high amount here with Baby Doge, all the way up to about 8Z63. So that's 8 zeros and 63. So that's a huge pump right there that we had. And we're probably about to do something similar again. Now, I don't know if it's going to pump all the way back up there because, everything is red in the market right now. But like you just now seen, the whole time Bitcoin was going down, Baby Doge was pumping. This whole time Bitcoin was going down for 180 days straight. And then Baby Doge just straight pumping for like a whole month straight. And then it started to go down and follow Bitcoin. So honestly, we may see Baby Doge continuing to pump from here. Like, I don't know. No one really knows. But there is that possibility. Remember, this is all speculation. But there is a possibility that Baby Doge could continue to pump. Because it looks the exact same that it did way back inside of December. So actually, let's look at that. Let's go back over here to the 4-hour chart so we can look at what it looked like way back in December. So this December pump, and I've been doing technical analysis on Baby Doge for a while, and we're following through this channel here. And then, eventually we broke out of it, but now we're back into that negative trend line. And it's funny because we broke out of this very briefly. Let me check off these indicators. But yeah, look, we broke out very briefly here, but now we're back in this same channel here. So now we're back in that same downtrend. So pretty much what this is looking like is like that we're pretty much back in that downtrend, or we were back in that downtrend, but now we're very briefly coming out of it. So let's see if this could actually be, an actual pump and not just some bull trap. But anyways, look over here. This is the exact same thing that happened starting from the 15th of December. We started the pump, but look, the second we started the pump, we did have a big pullback, kind of like how we're looking at now. And then we pulled back all the way down to about 8Z16. And yeah, that was from December 25th all the way to the December 30th. So for 5 days straight, Baby Doge was down. And then boom, we pump again. And then, we kind of go down a little bit and we trade sideways from the 2nd of January all the way to the 5th of January. So then that's 3 days. Actually, no, to about the 6th. So yeah, that's about 4 days right there. We're just trading sideways. And then we pumped for another day, pretty much January 7th. And then we pulled back for about 2 days. And then after that, we just started the straight pump literally for days straight from the 9th all the way up here to the 17th. Baby Doge was pumping, and then pumping. And then it just started to go down from there. So look at the time span. That was literally a whole month. So if we start to become bullish in Baby Doge, pretty much where I'm getting at here is Baby Doge could be bullish for a whole month if this is going to reenact what it did previously. So maybe this isn't the end of the pump for Baby Doge. It could happen for a whole month. So that's pretty much what I'm trying to get at here. I don't know if we'll break our all-time highs with this pump. I think it'll be very hard since we have a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the whole crypto market. We had a lot back then, but we have even more now. So it's going to be harder for us. But I'm definitely seeing something similar here. And looking at what we're doing right now, it definitely looks like Baby Doge is ready to pull back to this support. Like I said, we're going to pull back all the way down to this, probably around the 1250 support. So the 8Z 1250 support will probably end up pulling back down there. And then our next pump would probably end up bringing us all the way up here to about 2.3, possibly even to 3.2 after we get to 2.3. And then, after these areas, we'll keep having those pullbacks, like I said, like I just now showed you. And they'll probably be like 5-day pullbacks. Some of them are only 1 day. This one will probably be a few days. And then we should have another pump. So look, Baby Doge has the possibilities to continue to pump. I just now showed you exactly what we did previously. And the same thing could happen again. But remember, this is all speculation. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But looking at what Baby Doge did previously, if we follow that to a T, then we're definitely going to pump for a good month. And you got to look at it. We actually been pumping for a little bit. So if you look way back here, this was pretty much the 12th of May. So we started this on the 12th of May. Technically, if we follow what just now happened on our previous pump, this should end on the 13th of June, this pump. So that's only if we follow this exactly to a T. Then it'll end around the 13th of June. So I'm definitely excited to see what happens here. If this does go all the way up there to the 13th of June, then we're going to have some nice gains in Baby Doge. I didn't even get an opportunity to buy as much as I wanted to. But I'll be honest, I have like around 2.5 trillion or something like that. I wanted to get even more Baby Doge. I really wanted to get, because like $900 was pretty much a trillion Baby Doge, and that's a steal right there. But now we already pumped, so now I kind of missed it. But I got in at the 1.315 area, somewhere around there. But I didn't get to get in at 9Z7 like everyone else. But anyways, I hope it does go back down to there, because I will be buying lots of Baby Doge. But yeah, that's pretty much the technical for Baby Doge. And I was going to do a Bitcoin technical analysis, but we're not even following Bitcoin right now. We're literally setting our own path right now. Baby Doge up 16% for the last 24 hours. So I don't even think I don't even really want to do a Bitcoin technical analysis, to be real. But anyways, looking at Baby Doge, like 85% in the last 7 days. Like, what crypto right now is giving you 85% in 7 days? Like, there's literally no crypto out there giving you these kind of gains in 7 days. Like, literally, when the whole market is down, Baby Doge is up. Yeah, Phantom is up a little bit of a 16% for the day, just like us, but they're not up 84% for the last 7 days. Literally, whenever you look at Baby Doge, we're up that much in the last 7 days. With Phantom only up 8.1%. And then all these other cryptos, nothing is doing Baby Doge numbers out here in the crypto market right now. So actually, I don't know what God's Unchained is, and I don't know what Constitution DAO is. They're the only two ones doing as good as Baby Doge. But yeah, this is crazy right now. Terra USD still losing all its value. I mean, this is crazy. TUSD or UST is pretty much at 5 cents right now. It's supposed to be a stable coin, only worth 5 cents. And yeah, I don't even know what to say about this. Like, this is just ridiculous. It's crazy. I don't even know what to say. Terra has been going strong for a couple years now, and as you can see, it's literally at the bottom the literal bottom. Like, I don't even know what to say about this. This is just crazy. I hope people get their money back, but yeah, they're probably not going to get their money back. But anyways, let's get off the Terra thing, because we already know Terra is just it's just disgusting what's happening to it. I mean, look at that. That's literally 6.3 trillion circulating supply. It had way less than that. There's no way Terra gets back to $1. For it to get back to $1, it would have to have a 6.3 trillion market cap, unless they deleted coins from the circulation, from the actual contract, not just burning it and putting it into a burn wallet. They would actually have to take it out of the contract in order to get it all the way up to $1. So yeah, 6.3 trillion market cap. That's never happening. Terra is done for. That's my personal opinion. I know all you can say whatever you want about Terra, but personally, I think it's done. There is the potential for it to have these random spikes, maybe going back up to like 0.001, and like to have huge spikes like 1,500% or something. But this is just going to go back down. It's going to keep dumping, and they're just going to keep printing more coins. So it's literally pointless. But anyways, moving on from this, we got a lot more to talk about. So moving on from all the Terra and all that stuff, I know I kind of got sidetracked there. We almost have 1.6 million holders. That's 1,546,000 holders. Now, also, I really want to do the whale watching, but whale watcher finance is still not working, so I'm not going to be able to do those whale watching videos for you. But anyways, we are trending though right here on CoinGecko. So we're trending on CoinGecko on their search bar, and we can actually confirm that. So look, boom, Baby Doge trending right there. So yeah, we're trending on the search bar there, and then also Baby Doge trending on Twitter. And you can even see it right here, Baby Dogecoin trending on Twitter. And yeah, it's been trending all day on Twitter, and also all day on CoinGecko. So literally, we're doing the best out of every crypto out there. Baby Doge is literally number one. Baby Doge is on top. So yeah, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. And then over here, you can actually see someone says Luna burn. I was talking about Luna earlier, but like I said, unless they delete those coins from the contract, then it's never gonna go up. Just putting it into a burn wallet is not gonna do anything. They literally have to get it out of the contract, but they just now put it all in there. And yeah, they should be able to take it out. I don't know, but yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you all today. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit that like button, subscribe though, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to join the channel, definitely become a member, and I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.